Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Today we learn some new words and vocabulary. This is the newspaper article. I have taken this article from Focus Online, German online news, and we learn new words. This is the news of Donnerstag 29th September, okay, 9 am. So we'll read about this news. It is actually about the cyclists who are very enthusiastic, very crazy, very motivated, and it is very economical as well as very environment friendly. So what is the trend in Germany after pandemic, after corona? You have seen that many people have bought bicycle and they are enjoying the ride. So let's start with today's lesson. Durch spektakuläre Landschaften gleiten jederzeit absteigen können. Jederzeit means anytime. Anytime you can get down. Absteigen können. You can get down. Means cycle से आप उतर सकते हो. Anytime. You can get down. Durch spectacular Landschaften. Very spectacular means very excellent. Very beautiful landscape. Gleiten, move on. To move through. The very beautiful landscape. Anytime you can get down. Un interessante Ort entdecken. And you can discover, and taken means to discover interesting Ort means places. You can discover interesting places when you are riding bicycle. You go through interesting, very spectacular landscapes. Anytime you can get down from your bicycle and enjoy. Genießen means to enjoy the ride. Mit dem Fahrrad zu reisen begeistert immer mehr Menschen. Always more people are enthusiastic, very energetic to travel with the bicycle. Mit dem Fahrrad zu reisen. This is zu plus infinitive. Okay. Mit dem Rad oder mit dem Fahrrad zu reisen. Fahrrad zu reisen. It is zu plus infinitive. Reisen is a verb. So mehrere Menschen, viele Menschen sind begeistert. Many people are enthusiastic. Begeistert means enthusiastic, crazy. They want to ride the bicycle. They are very energetic. They are very ambitious. Wir stellen die schönsten Radwege durch die Republik vor. Wir stellen. Vorstellen means we introduce the beautiful cycle way, cycle path where you can ride the bicycle. You cannot ride the bicycle on the road. There is a separate lane. So we introduce the beautiful die schönsten Radwege. It's plural. So plural noun, so en ending. Die schönsten Radwege. The beautiful cycle Weg. Weg means path. Through the Republic. Through the Federal Republic Germany. For Genussradler. For the energetic cyclist. Radler means Radler cyclist. So they are introducing us to the Genuss, very enthusiastic cyclist. Radwanderer. These are the different words used for the cyclist. Genussradler, Radwanderer means who enjoy the riding, who enjoy bicycle. E-biker. There are also e-biker, electric bikes. Und Tourenradfans who love doing tours on cycle. These are the different words. You can see synonyms. Genussradler 1, Radwanderer 2, e-bikers 3, and Tourenradfans 4. So these are the different words used for the cyclist. They can enjoy the ride. Now we'll not read this one. This is not so important. Now we'll read this news. E-bikes und die Corona-Pandemie haben einen neuen Fahrradboom ausgelöst. So the Corona pandemic, the Corona time has triggered a new cycle boom. There is a new boom. There is a new wave. There is a new trend started in Germany of e-bikes and the Corona pandemic. The Corona pandemic as well as e-bikes have started a new trend. Fahrrad boom. There is a new trend of riding bicycles. Ausgelöst means they triggered. It triggered. It started. Triggered or started. Initiated. It initiated a new boom. Rauf auf den Stadel. Raus in der Natur, outside in the nature, und die Heimat entdecken. To discover your Heimat, your hometown. If you are from Germany, you can discover your hometown. You can ride the bicycle. You can go out. Raus means go out in the nature. Rouse. Rouse we say out. Like we say, ich gehe raus. I am going outside. We say ich gehe raus. So raus in der Natur, outside in the nature. Heimat entdecken, to discover your Heimat. Heiße Device, heiße Device. Schließlich ist Radfahren sportliche Bewegung. Endlich, schließlich, endlich. Finally. Finally, Radfahren, cycling is a sporty movement. Sportliche Bewegung is a type of movement that is very sporty. Gesundheitsfördernd, to enhance your health. Gesundheitsfördernd, that promote, that keeps you healthy. Gesundheitsfördernd, very good adjective. You can say Radfahren is Gesundheitsfördernd, something that promote, that encourage, that enhance your health. Enhance, what are the words we can use in English? Enhance, increase, okay, and okay, look after, and Gesundheitsfördernd, promote. Promote means to keeps you healthy. These are the 4 words. Gesundheitsfördernd. So Radfahren ist Gesundheitsfördernd. You can say klimaneutral. It's klima neutral. It does not harm the environment. It doesn't harm. Klima neutral. It's neutral. It doesn't harm. Erschwinglich. Frei von Staus. Frei von Staus means free from traffic jam. Stau means stau, traffic jam. You are free from traffic jam. Okay, because you drive through the nature, in the countryside, in the field, on a separate path. There is a separate lane. You enjoy the nature. You are moving out in the nature, discovering new places, new towns. There is no traffic jam. Okay. Erschwinglich, also economical, very economical. Very economical means moderate. You don't have to spend too much money. Und bietet ein Gefühl von grenzenloser Freiheit. Bietet, an offer. Bietet means to offer. And cycling, a cycle tour offers a feeling of grenzenloser Freiheit. Means borderless freedom. Immense freedom. Immense, totally immense freedom it offers you. A feeling. Gefühl means a feel of immense pleasure, immense freedom. Like you are free, you can ride, you can discover new places. You are going through the nature, having fresh air around you. Okay, when der Wind die Nase weht, when the wind blow through the nose, you are riding bicycle and the wind blow through your nose. It's a beautiful feeling. So this is that type of sentences you have seen. So very good text. Watch the video again and collect the important words. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.